Hello, friends. Welcome to the lounge with me, Amanya. Today we're talking oil, aloe vera oil, which is really good for your hair. And that's one of the oils that I use for my hair. And I normally use, I just DIY it. I've been doing it for years. And so I'm just going to show you what I do, my process, where I get my aloe and what I do with it and how I bottle it and everything else. So I want you to know once you get into the video, I literally went to the yard. If you live in Florida, aloe vera is everywhere. And so I went out to the yard and I picked out my aloe. And it was sitting in the refrigerator for about 3 weeks. And so when I pulled it out to do my oil, I was like, oh no, it's turned brown. I was like, no. But I decided to push on anyway, and oil turned out beautifully, as you will see. So come and join me and how I make my aloe vera for my hair.